Aloha everyone! Today Kirk and I are in beautiful Honolulu visiting from the Holland America Zaandam at Pier 2. Join us on a small walking tour as we explore the highlights of downtown Honolulu, all within walking distance of the cruise terminal. Starting just across the street from the cruise terminal, we walk toward Punchbowl Street and through the charming Waterfront Plaza. This area is a peaceful introduction to Honolulu with its blend of modern and historic charm. Okay, and there is the ship right there, if you can see through my finger. Okay, we're just gonna see how close we are to a lot of the food options here in Honolulu. It's only 9 in the morning, so it's still pretty closed. Just do a quick walk. But if you're into bicycle rentals, they have them right up here around the corner, and I'll show it to you in a few seconds. But for now, you can see there's a ton of places that you can have a nice snack. And I must say it's quite warm out here today. From there, we headed up to the iconic King Kamehameha Statue, a symbol of Hawaiian history and one of the most photographed spots in the city. Next, we passed a historic banyan tree, a testament to the island's lush greenery, and made our way to Iolani Palace, the only royal palace in the United States. Unfortunately, it was closed for visitors, but the architecture and grounds are still a must-see. Continuing our journey, we visited the Queen Liliuokalani Statue, honoring Hawaii's last reigning monarch, before heading to the state capitol. We even got a glimpse from the 5th floor overlook and stopped by the governor's office for a quick look inside. So we're on the 5th floor of Hawaii's State Building, which is really easy to get into. You just need to show some ID, and then they give you a little wristband. And so we are now facing toward the crater, which you could probably see there, Punchbowl crater, which is in the background of this video. And if you look kind of right in the middle, there's a statue with an eternal burning flame. It took us about 10 minutes to walk here from the cruise ship. We walked past the palace, and we've seen other things that you have already seen us talk about. From the top, you could see the Eternal Flame Memorial. It was a sobering reminder of Hawaii's role in history. From there, we took a short walk to the Foster Botanical Gardens, where we spent $5 for an hour exploring beautiful tropical plants, including towering trees and unique orchids.
Yeah.
We then headed to the Kuan Yin Temple and the Izumo Tashakyo Shrine, which showcases Honolulu's cultural diversity. Afterward, we wandered through Chinatown, soaking up the vibrant energy and colorful street art before passing through the Chinatown Cultural Plaza.
So we're now at the Botanical Gardens, but on our way we discovered this temple that we're gonna go in and visit in a second.
Our final stretch brought us past Pier 11 and back to the Zaandam at Pier 2. Honolulu offers so much to explore, and we were thrilled to enjoy this adventure on foot.
So, just as a note, there are 2 or 3 different cruise terminals in Honolulu. There's Pier 11, Pier 2, and the Norwegian Pier.
So this one's Pier 11, and where we stopped, where this video is originating from, is Pier number 2. We hope that you enjoy coming along with us on this walking tour of Honolulu. If you're ever in the area, especially coming off a cruise ship, we highly recommend this self-guided itinerary to make the most of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to KirkToriStory for more travel adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.